Rajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? What is today? Today our math lab activity. Okay. So today we will learn fraction. What we learn today? Fraction. So what is fraction? Yes. Part of a whole is called fraction. Fraction has two parts. One is numerator and second is denominator. What is numerator? Numerator shows how many parts. Numerator shows and denominator shows how many parts the whole divided into. Got it? And fraction has three types. How many types of fraction? Three types. First is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, and third is mixed fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction is in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Proper fraction is in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. And what is improper fraction? In which numerator is bigger than the denominator. Got it? Here I have some flashcards and some numbers written on it. You have to collect the flashcard and with the help of those numbers you have to make proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay? So first we will take one flashcard and write here one number is 7, 9 and 5. With the help of those numbers I have to make proper fraction, pair of proper fraction and pair of improper fraction. So proper fraction means numerator is smaller than the denominator. So 7 upon 9 comma 5 upon 9. Very good. Now I will make the improper fraction. I will write the improper fraction. 9 upon 7 comma 9 upon 5. Got it? Yes. Okay, thank you.